Imagine waking up. Your fingers feel stiff, your body feels sluggish, and your mind isn't as sharp as it used to be. You tell yourself, I'm just getting older. But what if it isn't just age? What if one simple habit could help support your brain, your heart, your joints, and your immune system all at the same time? That habit starts with one garlic clove. But here's the problem. Almost everyone uses garlic the wrong way. In fact, one simple mistake can destroy its most powerful compound before your body ever gets a chance to use it. And by the end of this video, you'll know the simple garlic protocol that helps you get the maximum benefit from every single clove. Why garlic is so powerful. Garlic isn't just another seasoning. It's one of the most researched medicinal foods in the world. Scientists have spent decades studying it for heart health, healthy aging, immune support, healthy blood pressure, brain health, and inflammation, the sulfur secret. But here's something fascinating. The real power of garlic doesn't exist until you break it. Inside every fresh clove are two completely separate substances. One is called alliin. The other is an enzyme called alliinase. As long as the clove stays whole, they never meet, nothing happens. But the moment you crush or chop garlic, those two compounds come together and create something remarkable. Allicin. This is the compound that researchers believe is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Without allicin, garlic is simply garlic. With allicin, everything changes. What garlic does. Inside your brain. Now, here's where things become really interesting. Most people think garlic only supports the immune system, but researchers are now exploring how garlic may also support your brain. Every second, your brain burns enormous amounts of energy. Although it makes up only a tiny percentage of your body weight, it uses roughly 20% of your daily energy. That constant activity creates something called oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress like tiny sparks coming off an engine. A few sparks aren't a problem, but year after year, those sparks can slowly damage healthy cells. Researchers believe oxidative stress and chronic inflammation may contribute to brain fog, mental fatigue, slower thinking, and age-related cognitive decline. That's why scientists have become interested in compounds like allicin. Research suggests it may help support the body's natural defenses against oxidative stress and help maintain a healthy inflammatory response. This doesn't mean garlic is a miracle cure, but it does mean that something as simple as the food you eat every day may influence how well your brain ages. What garlic does to your heart and joints. And the story doesn't stop with your brain. The same inflammation that affects your brain can also affect your heart, your arteries, your joints, and even how energetic you feel. Imagine your blood vessels like flexible garden hoses. When you're young, they're soft, flexible, and blood flows easily. But over time, they can gradually become stiffer. Researchers have studied garlic for its ability to help support healthy circulation, healthy blood pressure, and the normal function of your blood vessels. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients can travel more efficiently throughout your body, including your brain. And that's one reason people often notice they simply feel better. What garlic does to your heart and joints. But now, let's talk about the mistake, because this is where almost everyone gets it wrong. You chop garlic, throw it straight into a hot frying pan. It smells amazing. It tastes delicious. But chemically, something important never had the chance to happen. Remember, alliin and alliinase, they need time. When you crush garlic, allicin doesn't appear instantly. It takes several minutes for that reaction to happen naturally. If garlic hits the heat too quickly, much of that allicin never fully develops. That's why researchers recommend one simple step. Crush your garlic, then leave it alone for about 10 minutes. That's it. No expensive supplement, no complicated protocol, just 10 minutes. During that short wait, nature finishes the chemistry. Then cook it or eat it raw if you enjoy the taste. One tiny habit can completely change how much benefit you get from every clove. The garlic protocol. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't like eating raw garlic? You're not alone. Many people love the health benefits, but hate the taste. The good news is you don't have to chew an entire clove. After crushing it and waiting about 10 minutes, you have several options. You can finely chop it and mix it into Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, fresh salsa, guacamole, salad dressing, or spread it over whole grain toast with avocado. The healthy fats make it easy to include as part of a balanced meal. If you really can't handle the flavor, some people simply swallow small chopped pieces with water, almost like a capsule. Just remember, crushing it first is the important part because that's what allows allicin to form. Now, let's talk about how much. More isn't always better. For most healthy adults, one fresh clove per day is plenty. If you're new to garlic, start with half a clove. Let your digestive system adapt, then gradually increase if it agrees with you. Remember, this isn't about taking the biggest dose possible. It's about creating a habit you can actually maintain for months and years because consistency always beats intensity. Another common question is timing. Should you eat garlic in the morning or at night? The truth is, the best time is the time you'll actually remember to take it. Some people prefer adding it to lunch, others to dinner. If raw garlic upsets your stomach, always take it with food. There's no prize for forcing yourself to eat it on an empty stomach. The goal is to make garlic part of your lifestyle, not a challenge you eventually give up. One more thing, fresh garlic matters. The compounds we're talking about are strongest in fresh cloves. Pre-minced garlic sitting in a jar may be convenient, but much of the natural chemistry has already changed. Whenever possible, buy whole bulbs. They're inexpensive, they last for weeks, and they give you the greatest opportunity to benefit from garlic's natural compounds. Foods that make garlic even better. Here's something most people never think about. Foods don't work alone, they work as a team. Instead of chasing one miracle ingredient, build meals where nutrients support each other. Take extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains powerful polyphenols that complement a heart-healthy diet. Garlic and olive oil have been staples of Mediterranean cuisine for centuries. Not by accident, they're a natural pair. Now, think about eggs. Eggs provide high-quality protein along with choline, a nutrient your brain uses to produce acetylcholine, one of the neurotransmitters involved in memory and learning. Garlic supports one part of the system. Eggs support another. Together, they create a meal that nourishes both your brain and your body. Leafy greens are another perfect partner. Spinach, kale, arugula. They're rich in natural nitrates, which help support healthy blood flow. Pair them with garlic and olive oil, and you've created a simple meal built around whole foods instead of supplements. And then there's turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound researchers have studied for helping support a healthy inflammatory response. Remember to add black pepper. Its natural compound, piperine, helps your body absorb much more of the curcumin. Now imagine garlic, olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, and vegetables all in one meal. That's nutrient synergy. Different foods working together instead of competing for attention. Who should be careful? Before we finish, there's something important we need to talk about. Just because garlic is natural doesn't mean it's right for everyone. If you're taking blood thinning medication or you're scheduled for surgery, talk with your healthcare provider before significantly increasing your garlic intake. Garlic may affect how blood clots in some people. If raw garlic causes stomach irritation, don't force it. Cook it or reduce the amount. Your goal is long-term consistency, not discomfort. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free. The smartest approach is finding what works for your body. When will you notice a difference? One final question. How long does garlic take to work? The answer depends on what you're looking for. You're probably not going to wake up tomorrow feeling like a different person. That's not how nutrition works. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush once and expect perfect teeth forever. You do it every day because small actions compound over time. Healthy eating works the same way. Your body responds to consistency, not perfection. Every healthy meal is like making a small deposit into your future health. One meal won't change everything, but hundreds absolutely can. One small habit. So, what's the garlic protocol? It's actually very simple. Start with one fresh clove, crush it, wait 10 minutes, then enjoy it with your meal or mix it into foods you already love. Repeat consistently day after day because your health isn't built by one meal. It's built by thousands of small choices. And sometimes the smallest habit creates the biggest difference. So tonight, before you make dinner, crush one garlic clove. Set a timer for 10 minutes and let nature finish the chemistry. Your future brain, your future heart, and your future body may thank you for it. If you're starting the garlic protocol today, comment day 1 below. I'd also love to know, how do you usually eat garlic, raw or cooked? Share your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy learning the science behind everyday foods, subscribe to Brain Decoded for more science-backed brain and body science.